seen TCS CEO has mentioned that yes, things are happening so rapidly that conventional program and project management is moving to a more agile fashion. And you also can see that there's a big talk of AI and how it's going to cut costs in terms of reduction in human labor, both at the end customer standpoint. There's a there's an impression that yes, it will reduce the number of people required to be deployed, and that's still a hypothesis. My aspect is perspective is that yes, you will need smarter individuals working with the AI technologies. It's not going to lead to reduction of resources required, but it would have to be deployed very strategically. And by doing that, I think the organizations have to see how to combine these two, have their current workforce, getting them upscaled to the newer technologies, and find a business case to use the AI technologies, how it makes sense, and gives them the value of deploying these you know AI tools. I think that's how it should be, a balanced approach going forward, Rishabh. And that
I,
will take time. By when, then there will be again a new wave of hiring. So that's how I see it going forward.
but I see that the way that you're sort of proposing at least, takes care of both the company and cost, but at the same time takes care of people in the company as well, because we don't want massive amount of people just out of, with no jobs as well or out of jobs, because as much as companies are doing this, the government is also increasing costs as well, right? Now, I do want to kind of understand from you, how does this connect with the increasing global capability centers in India? How do you see that happen?
Yes, Rishabh. So GCC, large percentage of GCC, 35% of Fortune 500 companies have started their GCCs in India, which is where, a lot of R&D and product development functions are being, you know, done in India. And here is where the agility and scalability is required to respond according to the changes in market and the needs of the customer, which keeps evolving. And again, this is where the GCC also are again adopting the same approach of going through the agile methodologies and having the approach to make faster delivery cycles. I think that's here to stay, and that's where all the newer workforce that are coming into corporates need to adopt to how to quickly ramp up and be agile from day one.